Hi, I'm Kathy Kanamurio, the Crafty Chica. Now, if you have received the very important assignment to bring a side dish to an upcoming holiday gathering, I have a great idea for you. We are going to make these fun veggie hummus parfaits. Now, everything here, I bought it at Walmart, and this wonderful recipe stars a fresh craving classic hummus and roasted garlic hummus. There's also red pepper hummus. And what we're going to do is set out all of these fresh cut veggies where people can build their own veggie hummus parfait. Or if you want, you can prepare them ahead of time and set them out. It's up to you. Either way, it's going to be a very artful conversation starter of a side dish. We have all these fresh veggies that I cut up. We're starting with a clear cup like this. And what we're going to do is layer a serving of hummus in here, but we're going to break it up throughout the cup, and the volume is going to be the veggies. So first thing, we're starting with some Fresh Cravings classic hummus, and we're going to put this at the bottom of the cup. So I have 1 tablespoon of hummus at the bottom, and now I'm going to build with veggies. So I have an array of different colors here, and if you're putting this out for guests, you could put toothpicks or forks so that people can use those to apply them. These are little cherry tomatoes that I diced up. So now we're going to add the 2nd tablespoon of the hummus. And I'm going to garnish it. So I will add some sliced olives, and a little bit of feta cheese for the pop, and a pita chip. And now we have a super fun veggie hummus parfait. This is such an artful statement. It's like edible art. Your friends and family, they will be so impressed if you bring this, and it's healthy, it's vegetarian, you can't go wrong with it. Happy holidays.